down, and up. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna move the drone so you can see it. It's over there. Okay. So let's try waypoints here. We got one. We're gonna have it go all the way around the field. Actually, let's. How do we? That's fine. Let's stay on the green. So we got to do in this little circus shit play. 14 seconds, go. So I guess I had it go pretty high to do this because there we can go into the screen and actually watch it do this. Okay. So you can actually see where it's going. It's going 1 to 2. It's going pretty fast. Okay, so that was first try. And now is it done? I guess so, it's letting me manually control it now. And what you do is you just set a circle on the map and it'll orbit that circle. Oh, that's cool. There's a panorama photo thing, so start. So right now it's doing a panoramic photo. It's taken one of 18 photos. So here is the panorama I was able to make. I'm using this program PTGUI. I'm using the free version. That's why it has all their watermarks on it. What I did was I just downloaded this program at their website. I got the free trial. And then back when I was using the Litchi app, I did the 2 rows of spherical pictures. It took a total of 18. So I think 2 rows, you can see like one of the rows is the downward here, and then the other rows are more up in the sky. And as you can see, the white balance and everything is different based on, you know, how far the camera's looking. So that's why the blending is not the most amazing. I'm sure that could be improved. But the whole idea that I turned this into a 180-degree photo is really cool. And oh, you can zoom in as well. Let's see the quality if you zoom in. Not a bad view of the sun. And then who are these people over here? I think they dropped something over there. Who knows? So pretty cool. This time we're gonna try the VR goggles. So that's the drone, right? Watch what happens when I look down. Look at the gimbal when I look down or when I look up. When I look down, up, down, and up. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. When you go up really high to kind of like look down, it's like you're a bird looking from a tree. It's not very fluid movement though. Like if you're using this to actually take video, this is not the way to go. Because it's kind of jerky. Like when I move my head up and down, or even when I'm like looking around, it's not natural. I mean, it is natural, but it's not gonna look good on a screen. You can still move the, oh, I see. So when they use the, when you change the gimbal, you go up and down on the gimbal, it just goes right back. It doesn't stay like it would when you're not using VR. So you gotta either hold it down or slow hold down for a slower, oh, it hesitates. Yeah, so you either gotta do a hard down or you gotta actually look with your head. So that's why, I mean, a lot of those things, if you're actually trying to get good video, you wouldn't be doing this. Well, I mean, there you go. I'm just gonna show you through one eyeball. But like as you look down and as you look up, down, up. And now I'm gonna use the controller to kind of go to the right. So you can use the controller to go back and forth, and then you can just kind of tilt this down or tilt this up to see higher. So the last 2 features that are really cool about this application is the track, which is really cool, especially if you have the Phantom 3 standard, because this does not come with the DJI Go app. You'd have to get the advanced or above model of the DJI Phantom 3. And what it is you pinch the screen on an object like yourself, maybe you're on a bicycle, maybe something like that, and once it finds the object, you can then tell it how far you want to be, and it'll just follow you at that distance. So it's a tracking app where it'll actually track you and where you go, or another object and where it goes, like an animal. So that's really, really cool, and that's actually the main reason why I got the app. I just have not been able to get a really good shot of that yet. I'm working on it. It should be in a video pretty soon. This was the other feature that I didn't really get to work. I tried to have it follow myself. It didn't work that great. I still need to work on it. The other scary thing about the follow mode is you want to make sure there's no objects anywhere nearby. I was even in a baseball field, and a couple times I got scared because it got a little too close to a tree or a fence, or it was going in that direction, so I had to take control really quickly. Final thoughts, this is definitely worth $25. I do think that if you're just starting out, that you play with the DJI Go app for at least your first 10 flights before you jump into something like this, especially if you're a first-time flyer. If you have experience with other drones, this shouldn't be an issue for you, but I would just hate for you to get this app and then do a follow function or something like that, and you can't override the system and you run it into a tree or something like that. You should definitely play around with the features in an open area, have some fun with it, experiment, read the help section. Totally worth it if you're going to be using these features. So for that, I give them a thumbs up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and until next time.